Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. Today, I'm going to be guiding you through a quick and easy step on how to fix Chat GPT error 1080. The error 1080 on Chat GPT is an internal server error. It can occur when OpenAI runs a verification step to ensure you are a human being before you can use the service. If you are ever walking through the 1080 error message on Chat GPT, then here are some fixes you could try out. Simply keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, open up your web browser and type in chat.openai.com and make sure that you are logged into your Chat GPT account. Once you're inside the main home page, if you're going through the error 1080, you can simply try refreshing your page like you normally do on your devices. Once you refresh your page, you might be able to fix your issue, but you must have a stable internet connection for your Chat GPT to work. Go ahead and turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data and find the best connection for yourself. And once you have it, you might be able to fix your issue right away. If that still doesn't help, you can try switching your web browser. Go ahead and open up any other web browser that you've installed on your device. In my case, I have the Chrome web browser, so let me tap it open. Go ahead and open up the sign-in page for Chat GPT and enter your email address. After you are done, tap on the Continue button, enter your password for your account on the next field, and tap on the Continue button again. Once you're logged into your Chat GPT account, you can try sending the text message to Chat GPT and see if that fixes the issue. If changing a web browser doesn't help, the next thing to do is to simply clear out the cache and cookies from the web browser that you're using. Tap the three dots or the menu bar at the top right of your Chrome web browser and tap on the Settings button. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Tap the Clear Browsing Data option at the very top, from where you can delete your browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files option. Make sure that you're inside the Basic tab at the top and then select your time range from where you'd like to delete your cache and cookies, and make sure to check all of these three boxes over here and tap on the Clear Data button. Doing this might sign you out of most of the sites that you are logged in already, so make sure you know your credentials before deleting your cookies and site data. Finally, tap the Clear Data button, and once you clear out your cache and cookies and history from your web browser, go back to the Chat GPT page and try refreshing your page. Now you can go ahead and send a message to the chatbot and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the easiest fixes you could try and follow to fix your Chat GPT 1080 error message. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.